Welcome back to Hiragana lesson 2. In the previous lesson we learnt A, E, U, A, O, which is the first vowel row. Today we will learn the K row in Hiragana. This row includes 5 sounds: Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. So let's begin. The first character of the K row is Ka. Ka. The second character is Ki. Ki. The third character is Ku. Ku. The fourth character is K. K. And the fifth character of the K row is Ko. Ko. So, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Now let's learn how to write these characters correctly. Stroke order is very important in Japanese writing. Let's start. So the first character is Ka. Ka. So this is Ka. So let's see how we draw it. So this character has got 3 strokes. So we will see how to make these strokes. So the first stroke of this character is like this. This is the first one. The second stroke is from here to here. And the third stroke is from here to here. This is Ka. Ka. Next character is Ki, which is the second character, Ki. So let's see how we draw it. So this character has got 4 strokes. 4 strokes. So we'll see how we draw them. So the first stroke is like this. The second stroke is like this. The third stroke is from here to here like this. And the fourth stroke is like this. This is Ki. Ki. The third character is Ku. Ku. So this is the Ku character. So let's see how we make it. This character has got only 1 stroke. So the stroke goes like this and this. This is Ku. Ku. The next character is K. K. So this is the K character. So let's see how we make it. So this character has got 3 strokes. So the first stroke is like this. The second stroke is like this. And the third stroke is this. This is K. K. This is the last character, which is Ko. Ko. Ko is the last character of the K row. So this character has got 2 strokes. So let us see how we make the stroke. This is the first stroke. And the second stroke is this. This is Ko. Ko. Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. So let's see how much you have learnt. Which is this character? It's K. K. Which is this one? It's Ka. Ka. Which is this one? It's Ko. Ko. And this one? It's Ki. Ki. And the last one, which is this one? Yes, it's Ku. Ku. Great job. You have now learned the K row in Hiragana. Practice writing these characters at least 10 times each. In the next lesson, we will learn the next row: Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So.